Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is SRYZNA and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look without using any eyeshadow palette, contour, bronzer, blush or the highlighter. Instead of all these products, I just used one lipstick in 4 different ways. So if you want to know all the 4 hacks I used just with one lipstick, make sure to watch the video till end. And if you guys also love using tricks and hacks while doing your makeup, please like the video, and if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. I have already used the moisturizer and now I'm using Rimmel Stay Matte Primer to prime my face. This primer have ultra lightweight formula which minimizes the appearance of pores and controls shine for up to 8 hours. This is one of my favorite drugstore primer. It's really awesome, guys. Now I'm quickly going to moisturize my lips using Native Lip Balm. It's really important to keep your lips hydrated before applying any lipstick. Now I'm going to show you the lipstick hacks, and the first hack using lipstick is to cover dark circle in my under eyes area and dark spot and blemishes in my face. The lipstick I'm using today is an orange shade and it is from MAC in shade Chili. It really works as a corrector to my skin. Now I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation in shade 30 Sand. It is full coverage foundation which gives a seamless finish that doesn't fade or shift from day to night. This foundation glides very easily and smoothly on skin and suitable for all skin types. To conceal all the blemishes and dark spots of my skin and to highlight all the high points of my face, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige. It is one of my favorite concealer from affordable range, as you can see me using it often in my videos. Now I'm going to set my entire face using Morphe powder in shade Filter 6. So the second hack from my lipstick is to use it as my eyeshadow color. I'm just going to take a little amount of my lipstick in my eyeshadow brush and going to blend it smoothly to my eyelids. Now I'm taking a little bit of lipstick in my fingertips and going to apply with the help of my finger in my eyelids. I'm just going to blend it softly with the help of my finger. Now I'm going to apply the lipstick in the lower outer corner of my eyes using same eyeshadow brush. And I'm using the same process on the other eye as well. The third hack is applying my lipstick as my blusher. Just taking a little amount of my lipstick on my cheeks and nose and slowly, smoothly blending it out with the help of my finger. I'm also going to take a fluffy blusher brush to blend out all the excess product. So finally, I'm going to apply my lipstick on my lips, and this is my final fourth hack. Believe me guys, this 4 lipstick hack is really effective if you want to save both your money and the time, and is really useful when you do not have access to all your usual products, like when you are visiting some place or when you need a quick touch-up. Now I'm going to complete my look by applying Marc Jacobs mascara in my both lower and upper lashes. And I'm also going to use Rimmel Nude Pencil in my waterline. So this is my completed final look guys, using all the 4 hacks from one lipstick. What do you think about this look? Please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please do like it, and yes, please do subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon with another brand new video. Till then, stay strong, stay safe. I love you guys. Bye.